These butterfly bookmarks are so much prettier in person than I was expecting. You get so many in an order and they're all these different colors and patterns. I think they're so pretty. They fold over a page, but you open them up and then it looks like a full butterfly. And then you can use it as a bookmark by going to whatever page you are in your book and just clamping it over the side, and then it saves your spot where you're reading. And it's really low profile. It shouldn't damage your book at all, and it's just so pretty. Such a cute little butterfly wing just sitting on your book while you read. You receive them on this little piece of cardboard and they're all folded over the side. On the back it looks like that. There's a magnet on both sides of the wing. Here's an up-close look at each of the colors and patterns. There's lots of different colors. There are some that are neutral, and these make a really lovely gift, or you can even use them as party favors since you get 24 in a pack. They're very nice quality, so I definitely can recommend them.